Hey there, it's Dave with FlipperForce, and we just launched a new update to our Flip Analyzer tool where we rebuilt some of the structure of the Flip Analyzer to make it a little bit easier to use. We also changed around some formatting on the Flip Analyzer. So one of the things that you'll notice with our new update is that you can quickly navigate around using these steps at the top. So this is going to make it a little bit easier to edit your results. So I guess, for example, if you had already analyzed a deal, you could quickly jump to number 4 instead of previously you had to cycle all the way through by clicking the next button. So that should make it a little bit easier for you to edit your existing results, but you also see that you can jump to the results page. So if you wanted to go in and quickly adjust your buying costs here or your selling costs, you could quickly do that. And then if you want to see how those results change your overall results for the analysis, you can jump directly to the results page. So hopefully that will make that process a little bit easier. So again, you can just click on this edit analysis, which will jump you right back over to the steps, and then you can navigate around using these steps at the top. We've also added in some other options that allow you to edit your results directly on the results page. So instead of having to navigate all the way back to the steps and the after repair value step in the calculator, you can actually just do that directly on the results page now. So let's say you want to tweak this value here. Maybe you think you can resell the property for $165,000. You can change that value directly on the results page now. You can also do that for the purchase price. So if you want to adjust the purchase price, maybe you want to see how buying it for $52,000 will affect your profitability on the project. You can do that directly on the results page. And then you'll also see down below we've got some little edit icons next to each of the calculations here. So you could see if you want to do it here, you can edit your after repair value or your purchase. These other options are going to actually jump you to that actual step in the analysis, because these steps here have a little bit more going on than just a simple data entry cell. I guess, for example, if you go to the buying costs or the financing costs, if we click on that, there's a little bit more going on than just a simple data entry. That's why we just jump you to that specific page. So now you can just edit your buying costs, your holding costs, or selling costs, and then jump back to your results page to see those results. We've also added in a recommended maximum purchase price section down at the bottom. So this is completely separate. So that's basically been a part of that reformat that we've done to the results page. And hopefully this will provide a little bit more clarity on how everything's being calculated. So the first tab that we have here is the profit calculation in your project returns tab. So it's basically telling you how much profit you're going to make on this deal, and it shows you the formulas that are being used to calculate how much profit is in that deal. So basically the calculated profit, you can see here we've got this formula, is the after repair value minus your purchase amount, minus your repair costs, minus your buying costs, holding costs, selling costs, and financing costs. So that's how your calculated profit in the deal is being calculated. We've also got a project cost page. You can see how all of your project costs on the project are being calculated. So again, we've got the formula here. So all of the total upfront project costs that you've got are going to be your purchase price plus your repair costs plus your holding costs plus your financing costs on the deal. And then the final tab is project financing. So this is just another tab that breaks down how you're financing the flip. So in this scenario, we're doing actually a cash deal. So you can see we don't have any financing amount, but so you can see the formula again is cash outlay is equal to upfront project costs minus your total financing amount, is what that's supposed to say. And that's used to calculate how much cash out of pocket you will have in the deal. And then again at the bottom we added in a recommended maximum purchase price. So this is what the tool and calculator is recommending you should offer for the property based upon the desired profit that you want to make in the deal. So one of the options, the final options in your analysis, is profit. You can tell the calculator how much you want to make in the deal. So if we click on the step number 6, you'll see that our current calculated profit based upon a purchase price of $52,000 we are going to make $48,000. Well, you can tell the calculator how much you want to make. So right now we're making $48,000 based upon a $52,000 purchase price. But what if we only want to make $22,000, or what if our margin is 20%? That would be $33,000. So it can be used as a gauge to tell you, okay, if you only want to make $15,000 or $20,000 on the deal, or $30,000, this is what you can offer for the property. So that's what this section is down here at the bottom. It's just showing you your recommended maximum purchase price based upon the desired profit that you want to make in the deal. So again, here's the formula. Maximum purchase price is equal to after repair value minus your repair costs, minus your buying costs, your holding costs, selling costs, financing costs, and your desired profit. So in this scenario, the calculator is recommending that we could offer $67,000 on this deal, and we would still make $33,000 in profit. So we'd make that $33,000 that we're wanting to make if we offer $67,000 for that property. So that's a quick overview of some of the changes that we've made to the Flip Analyzer. Hope you like them. Hopefully it'll help with editing your results, make that a little bit easier. It'll help you to easily navigate around the different steps that we have here, and then obviously go back to see your results. And I guess one last thing is we do have a new print report button up here. So if you click on that, it's going to jump you over to the investment packet, which you can use to build out a nice financial report for the deal, and then you can print that off to a PDF or share it using a share link. So again, that's a quick overview. Hopefully you like the new changes that we made to the Flip Analyzer. If you have any questions or anything, let me know.